Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I just wanted to give you an update. I had one of my viewers, his name is Donald, and he sent me a really cool safety bulletin update from General Motors. And so if you have a 2015 or 16 Yukon, they are now replacing the taillight as long as you don't have more than 72,000 miles on it. So the warranty will be 6-year, 72,000 miles, and they will replace the malfunctioning taillights at no cost. This has been an ongoing problem for a while, and they're now changing that. You will have to go in and show them that's not working. They're going to diagnose it, turn on the parking lights, turn on the brakes. But once they do, they will replace one or both of the taillights as long as they can see that they are bad at no cost. Also, if you have paid to have them repaired at some point, there is a reimbursement section of the recall. And so I'm not sure if you would have to have a receipt or how that's going to work, but they will replace the two tail lights if they can see that they're bad and reimburse you for it. So just something really important. Right now it's only on 2015 and 16s, but hopefully any of the others that would fall into that can also be replaced. Maybe the warranty will continue down throughout the years. If your 2015 and 16 Yukon has fallen outside of that warranty range, I do have videos showing how to replace and even fix the problem. So I'll put a link to that in the video description as well. Anyway, thanks for watching, and hopefully this video helps you out. And we want to thank again Donald for commenting and sharing the link. Thanks, guys.